known as the power pose. Feet shoulder width apart, hands on your hips, chest up, head up, shoulders back. And if you ever, literally ever, see anybody stand like that, you gotta run away from them because they're probably weird as hell. Today, I'm gonna show you some of my favorite body language tricks in order to look more confident, self-assured, and powerful. The first trick I wanna talk about is your phone, all right? Instead of sitting there and looking, what I want you to do is put it away, all right? Because unfortunately, if you've got your phone in your hand and you're looking at it, you are not going to be approached by other people. You're also not gonna be looking people in the eye, making eye contact. Put the damn phone away if you wanna look more confident. All right, now, when you're standing, few things you don't wanna do. Cross your arms. This basically tells the world, yo, don't talk to me. It makes you look very defensive. If you want to look confident, it's all about open body language. But what do you do with these hands? Do you stick them in your pocket? The answer is no, because it rounds your shoulders. It also makes you look a little bit submissive. Instead, what I'd recommend, a powerful way to stand other than this, right here. Boom. Calm, confident, chest up, shoulders back, head up, eye contact. But what do you do if you're at a bar, you're holding a drink, right? What do you do with this other hand? Just stand there like this? No. What you do then is hand in your pocket, nice and casual, but you're still maintaining proper, confident, powerful posture. The next body language trick, guys, to look powerful and confident when you enter a room is to enter, of course, with your chest up, shoulders back. We already covered that when you're walking. Now, when you enter, instead of walking to your seat or somewhere, what I want you to do is walk in and just pause for a second, right? And look around. When you're looking around, you've got a little smirk on your face, your eyes are smiling, and if you see somebody that's making eye contact with them, give them a little head nod, and then proceed to walk. All right, if other people are noticing this, it makes you look confident, it makes you look self-assured, and it makes you look powerful. It also makes you look like the most interesting dude in the room. The steeple. This is the move that indicates power and authority when you're speaking, right? Right there. You've seen people do it, and the reason they do it is because it's letting the world know, yo mama, I'm the man. All right, also, thumbs up. This one, it's a great emoji, but it's also a great way to indicate and signify to somebody else that you agree or you think they're awesome. Here's the deal. How would you use this in general conversation? Here's the deal. If somebody's saying something, whether or not you're in like a meeting or you're at a party or you're having a conversation with somebody, instead of saying, yeah, I agree, or clapping, if you can make eye contact with them and just give them one of these and a little nod, right? Smile with your eye, which brings me to the next trick, and that is the head nod. Guys, woo, mama, this one is so subtle, but it's so incredibly powerful and confident. When you nod your head at somebody like, what's up, or yes, you agree, it lets them know, yo, you're engaging, you're friendly, you support them, and you're the guy that they can go to if they need anything. I'm telling you. The next powerful body language trick is a handshake, because this one gets a lot of guys in trouble. They go in and they think, yo, I gotta be super firm and aggressive. Now, firm is good, applying pressure is amazing and excellent, but if you're trying to basically own them and dominate them and crush their hands, it makes you look like you're trying to compensate for something. You want to make sure when you're going in, nice and firm, 1, 2, 3, and you're out. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that makes you look weird. Another pro tip is to actually, when you're shaking, come over top and touch their hand. It's a great way to engage them, which brings me to another incredibly powerful nonverbal communicating tool, and that is touching. Touch, tap, don't linger, drag, or caress. Instant. The connection is literally instant, and if you can make a quick connection with other people, that in and of itself is amazingly powerful. Almost as powerful as the way you smell. Your scent is one of the most powerful nonverbal communicating tools that you have. And the beautiful thing is that you've got 100% control of it. Something I have 100% control of is this incredible, amazing deal that I want you to check out. Right now, there's going to be a link down below. You got to go through that link and use the codes on the page. But right now, for a limited time, you can grab any of the Pete and Pedro fragrances. You can grab Rebel, King, Villain, Hero, or Legend. All right, you're also going to get some things for free. You're going to get the Pete and Pedro powder for free. This is the best talc-free powder on the market. Little spritz of this in the boys, right? Boom, you're good to go. Your balls are going to be fresh, funky free. They're also going to smell incredible because in terms of a powerful turnoff, if your nuts are musky, it doesn't get any worse. Also, a little bit of this, whoop, up the booty crack before you leave the house to eliminate swamp ass, because swamp ass is definitely not sexy. But you're also going to get a free Pete and Pedro Deo. All right, this stuff is amazing. It's natural, which means it's not going to F up your endocrine system, which means it's not going to kill your testosterone levels. This stuff is amazing. The best natural deodorant on the market. The scent is a spearmint eucalyptus. It doesn't get any fresher than this. Right now, for a limited time and while supplies last, guys, down below, if you go through there, you get to choose any Pete and Pedro fragrance you want. You're also going to get the ball powder and the deodorant for free for $50. It's a $34 savings. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want you to smell better than all the other dudes and her ex-boyfriend, which you absolutely will. Guys, link below. Do not wait. Limited time. Go smell fresh as hell. Next up, let's talk about how to manspread. I'm kidding. Actually, I'm not kidding. Kind of kidding, but we got to talk about this, all right? So one thing that people say is if you want to look confident, you got to take up space, right? When you're sitting or standing or whatever. I think that it does look a little bit confident, but it also looks really cocky and a little bit sloppy, all right? It also looks very disrespectful, but this does not, right? You're still taking up space, but it's more your space as opposed to like every space right here. Feet shoulder width apart, knees open. The other reason why this is an incredible pose is that it's also going to make your freshly powdered balls healthier, because research has actually shown that when dudes sit all like here and like keep it all tight together, you're actually heating your balls up so much that it's destroying and killing your sperm. So technically, manspreading is kind of like a biological necessity, all right? Something else that's a necessity, if you want to look extra powerful, lean forward a little bit, right? When you lean in, whether or not you're talking to somebody or you're sitting, it makes you look more confident. It also makes you look more engaging and like you're interested in what they're actually saying. But if you're somebody that's sitting all small, hunched over, right here, gentlemen, this makes you look weak, submissive, and definitely not powerful. Something else that does that is a lack of eye contact. Have you ever talked to somebody who like wouldn't look at you? How do you feel about them? Do you feel like connected? No, you feel like they are weird, or they're just not interested, or they're shady or shifty. You got to make sure when you're talking to somebody that you have the ability to make eye contact. Now, if this isn't comfortable for you, a little trick is look at their eyebrows. And last but certainly most powerful is your smile. Guys, if you're not using your smile because you hate your smile, get it fixed. If you're not smiling because you think it's weird to smile at people, start doing it because you're stupid. Guys, a smile is one of the most powerful things that you can do. It's going to automatically connect you to somebody else. It makes you seem more friendly. It makes you seem more attractive. It makes you seem more inviting and open and confident. It also makes you feel and look comfortable in your own skin. And honestly, guys, this is one of the most powerful things you could possibly possess. If you feel comfortable with yourself, other people notice, other people can feel it and sense it. And this is powerful.